My name is Amahle. I'm here with my group mate today to do a geography project which is about to rehabilitate and restore wetland. So we're here in botanic gardens on their wetland. So by the time we were arriving here, there was a lot of pollution which is caused by school students, as you can see. Because there were not enough dustbins, they threw litters, which is plastic bottles, papers, snack papers near wetland. So by this time we were cleaning it, trying to rehabilitate and restore it. Some of us used gloves and bags to collect this litter, which others helped separate recyclable and non-recyclable waste. We worked carefully so that we don't damage plants and the wetland. Carried on cleaning. There's so much litter that we found. It was a different kind of litter. As we were working together, we took that litter into dustbins, as you can see. By this time we were working together, all of us, and by this you can see that there's so much litter aside, and the dustbins are not sufficient for every litter. Okay, after cleaning, the area looked so much better. The wetland was free of litter and it looked natural and beautiful again. We felt proud because we had made a difference. From this experience, we learned that pollution harms the environment and everyone has a responsibility to keep this place clean. We suggest that more dustbins should be placed in the gardens and the visitors should be taught how to respect nature.
Greetings, I'm Tandega Mshongo, specifically here to talk about the birds that we found on our research on the wetland that we went to. We found birds that live in nests, which is one of the common things that we know about birds. We found a grey heron, we found a spotted bagweaver, we found the red southern bishop, as well as utegwane, which is a hammered stork.
My name is Luanda Novella. I'm here with my group mates today to do geography projects, which is about restorations and rehabilitation wetland. There are many animals on this wetland. Therefore, I'm going to explain about the food chain of the grey heron. These animals feast on a variety of food depending on what is available. Their diet can include fish, frogs, tadpoles, insects, small mammals like mice, and even small birds. Sometimes they also feed on aquatic invertebrates such as worms, snails, and crustaceans. As proof that these animals feast on worms, you can see the heron grain eating inside the den.
Greetings, my name is Voisin Alwas and I am going to be talking about the plantation that we found in this wetland. These are aquatic plants because are found in the water and they serve as protection to insects that live in the water. Across the pond we have a big huge tree which serves as the home of birds and protection. Behind me we also have two large trees which serve as home to monkeys and people love to
I will be talking about the type of soil that is found on wetland, which is the hydric soil. Hydric soil, it is type of soil that is wet and saturated for a long period of time. It has the low oxygen level because water fills the spaces between the soil particles. The texture or the color of the soil is gray, bluish, due to the lack of oxygen and accumulation of organic matters. The hydric soil contains decaying plants and material, which makes it rich in nutrients.
Unfortunately, due to the distance the camera was put on, we couldn't see what was being said in an interview with a botanical garden. manager. So we're gonna write and wait so you can see what kind of questions you asked him.